Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see aggregation in Power BI tables. So in the previous tutorial we have created the tables and we have done the formatting over the like Power BI tables, like how we show the data and all these things we have already talked about in the previous tutorial. So I recommend you please go to the part 9 of this tutorial series and see like how we create the Power BI tables, because it's a continuation of that tutorial. So agenda of this tutorial, like how we do the aggregation in the Power BI tables. Aggregation in the sense like minimum, maximum and the percentage. So all these things, like if we want to show the data as sum data or average data, so all kind of the operation we do, those called as the aggregation over the data. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So this was the table which we created in the previous tutorial. Here what we are showing the data for the country, month, average of property and the profit, and like all these value we have taken here. Now like we can see like we have done some formatting to this one by clicking here, and over this one we have done the formatting. Like so let's do one more thing, like just give the border between these table, and for that border let's increase the size also, so we can see the data, like it is now currently, and take this one into the different color, so we can see the data. So like basically I'm trying to change the border over this table. So based on that, like our this table looks good, because currently if we see from like from here we can see like this month name and the average of the profit, that line is not coming and we are not able to see the data. So we can do the formatting for this as well. So that formatting also we can do from here, like if we want to show like this, currently it is showing in that way. So like whatever the formatting we want, we can do on this table. Now let's talk about the aggregation. So suppose on the profit column I want to like we have seen in the previous tutorial, like we were showing the data for this average of the profit. So this is the average of the data. Now if we want to show any information based on like minimum and maximum, based on that we can show the data. Like suppose I want to show the data of the profit into the percentage. So let's click on this show value as now no calculation, and I want to show as the percentage of the grand total. So we can see like this column is showing the data into the percentage wise. So that is the way like we can do the aggregation. By click, see we can see one arrow down here. By click on this arrow down, we can do the aggregation over that field, like in which format you want to show the data, like as a sum, average, minimum and the percentage, whatever the requirement we needed over that column, we can show the data as per the expectation. So that is all about this tutorial. So if you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.